In this video, let us learn static block. A static block executed only once when the class is loaded into memory by the Java class loader. It is also known as a static initialization block. Static block is primarily used for initializing the static variables and calling static method for initial setup. So in this particular video, we will explore some of the cases, special cases or basic cases with respect to static block. If a class contains only the static block, how to execute it? Yes, we can go for static demo 3. It contains a main method. So class sample 1. So in this class SAM PLE. So in this class it contains only the static block alone. Apart from static block it does not have anything, any other class members. It is a static block. Then how to execute this particular static block? Can we execute a class.static block? No, we can't able to execute in this way. If a class contains only the static block, if we can create an object, so it will execute the static block at first. It executes the static block. Case 2, if a class contains constructor and static block, which one execute at first? Again we can create one more class static block demo. We can create a class called static demo 4. Static demo 4. It should contain a main method. Suppose the class is sample2. This class contains a constructor. It can be parameterized constructor, nor constructor, anything. It is a no args constructor. And again we need to specify a static block. It is a static block. So in this case, as soon as if we can create an object, which one will execute first? Obj is equal to new sample2. So as soon as if we can execute, first it will run the static block, next it will run the either nowhere constructor or parameterized constructor. It will execute depending upon while creating the object. If you supply the parameter, it will run the parameterized constructor. If you are using nowhere constructor, it will run the nowhere constructor. So which one will execute first? Static block will execute first. So next one, case 3. If a class has multiple static block, what is the order of execution? So we can create one class called static demo 5. Class sample 3. Suppose this particular class contains multiple static block. It is first static block, it is second static block, it is a third static block. Second, third static block. As soon as if we can create an object, which static block will execute first? So the question is in this way, can you specify multiple static block in a same class? Yes, we can able to specify. If multiple static blocks are available, so which one will execute first? They will execute based on the order of we have specified in a class. So this will be execute first, and this static block will execute second, and this static block will execute it last. So this is the first, second, third. Based on the sequence order only they will execute. Based on the sequence order, if the class contains multiple static block, those will execute based on the sequential order. How they specified in a class. Thank you.